Have you ever wondered which fertilizer is best in the world of hydroponics? Join us as we dive into an eye-opening experiment, comparing the precision of inorganic nutrients with the eco-friendly appeal of organic options. The results may shock you and could give you a new insight into your approach to sustainable growing. Join us as we compare the growth of hydroponic lettuce nurtured by inorganic nutrients and their organic equivalents. We used the Kratky method. This passive off-grid hydroponic technique is celebrated for its straightforwardness and minimal upkeep requirements. We prepared each 15-litre or 4-gallon container certified for food safety to nurture plant growth. Yet, the results we observed were shocking. In the inorganic setup, we enriched the system with a trio of nutrients that included
magnesium sulfate,
calcium nitrate, and a balanced NPK hydroponic mixture. The results were striking. Robust growth with roots developing with vigour, a clear sign of optimal nutrient absorption. In stark contrast, the organic trial, which utilised a fertiliser derived from animal sources, encountered significant hurdles. Despite our efforts to maintain pH and EC levels on par with the inorganic system, the organic setup showed a stark absence of growth and root development. Both systems operated within a targeted pH range of 6.5 to 6.8 and an EC level around 1,650 microsiemens. However, the organic system's pH levels fluctuated more dramatically, even with the application of citric acid as a stabilizing agent. This leads us to the pivotal question: why did the inorganic approach thrive while the organic method faltered? We think the crux of the matter is nutrient bioavailability. Inorganic fertilizers deliver essential nutrients in a form readily accessible to plants, whereas organic fertilizers depend on biological processes, like the nitrogen cycle for nutrient breakdown, processes that are inherently less efficient in a hydroponic environment. Especially for animal-based organic fertilizers, it might be that there are nutrients, but they are in the wrong form and thus not available or even toxic for plant growth. An added point to take into consideration is that lettuce plants are quite sensitive to fertilizers, and that might in part also explain the shocking results we found. Nevertheless, the potential for optimizing organic fertilizers in hydroponic systems is not totally lost. By incorporating a bioactive medium to foster microbial activity, diligently monitoring and adjusting pH levels, and selecting organic fertilizers that are more suited to hydroponic applications, one can begin to close the gap in performance. In essence, our comparison has shed light on the critical importance of nutrient bioavailability for hydroponic systems. While inorganic fertilizers may offer a more straightforward approach to nutrient delivery, organic fertilizers require a nuanced strategy to unlock their full potential. As you continue to refine your hydroponic endeavours, consider these findings. Whether your preference leans towards the precision of inorganic nutrients or the environmental ethos of organic fertilization, the key lies in leveraging the underlying science of nutrient dynamics. If this comparison has triggered your interest, we encourage you to subscribe for more hydroponic videos. Till next time.